Okay, what up, YouTube? This is MTG Gathers with the actual gameplay. Noticing I have my playmat, he doesn't.
Shut up.
I have a playmat, he doesn't. Well, today, if you haven't watched the deck text already, you're just browsing YouTube and you happen to find a video, the links will be in the description for the other two deck texts, but if you just want to watch the video, sorry about the noise in the background, that's my dog chewing on a water bottle. Somewhat annoying. Don't do that, Tyler. Give it back to her. No, you want to give it back to her. Yeah. Just give it back to her. Okay.
That works. Okay.
Okay, well, anyways. Pardon me for that. She doesn't, chewing on that. She'll probably find some other plastic bottle and chew on it. Or she'll bark and then I'll yell at Tyler. Okay, well, anyways, kind of getting sidetracked. Here we're just shuffling our decks and then we're going to be playing the land game. If you don't know what the land game is, we'll explain it to you. Tyler will.
I will explain it to you, because that's what I do.
Anyways, we're going to do the best out of 5 games. This may be broken up into different parts because, like I said in my game, you dropped cards, Tyler. But anyways, my game is kind of slow-paced, we'll say.
Very slow paced.
Like I won when we played a 3-player pod with the other MTG Gatherer. And it took like an hour and a half or something.
For one game.
For one game.
Thinking that was a 3-pod.
But it didn't matter because he was aggro. No one attacked me, so that was the problem.
So now we're playing the land game. If you don't know what the land game is, we get all 5 of the basic lands. And if you don't know what the land game is, we get all 5 of the basic lands. And I choose one. And basically, he has I have a 60% chance of winning. He has a 40% chance of winning.
Other way around.
No.
Because I guessed 3.
That's true, yeah. Yes, but, yeah, he gets a 60% chance, but whatever. It's really fun to do, and I'm sure you guys like to see it. So here it goes.
Show it to him. You know you want to.
No,
show the land. I'll look away.
I'm really feeling that he's not going to pick this card, you know? So, that's my card.
Plains.
Oh, he picked that card.
Okay, so I'll play first. And now we cut.
Oh, yep.
I'm assuming you want to.
2, 3, 4.
Okay, thank you.
Obviously, if you guys know how to play Magic, we start at 25. Well, this standard gameplay should be fun.
And my cards are backwards. That's amazing.
Good for you.
Okay. Look the other way. I'm showing them my hand. Okay. This is my hand. Lands, spells. I feel like that is good. So I'm gonna keep my hand.
Okay, let's go. Lands. Pretty good lands. Pretty good spells. I think I'm gonna keep my hand.
Okay. Well, we will periodically show the card.
We'll show every card we draw.
Eventually, once this channel, hopefully, if this channel gets more, if not, just when we get money, we'll get cameras behind us so we can just show our hand beside us.
Yeah. Hopefully we can.
Okay. Well, anyways, turn 1, I will play Warzone 1 and gain a life.
You're up to turn 1.
Pass turn.
Frontier, blue, 5 black. Go.
Big black.
Blue, black, what?
Okay.
No, we didn't play that card.
Draw.
Oh, I forgot to change my draw. That was my draw.
Okay. And then
pretty good accelerant.
I'll play Plains and then play Nyx Fleece right now. Whenever at the beginning of my upkeep, I gain 1 life. 0-5.
Upkeep. Draw. Not a good draw for us. No good draw for the home team. Then we will go. Carry to go.
Okay. Upkeep trigger, gain a life. I'm at 22.
You got.
Draw. Don't be cheeking, man.
I'm gonna
play.
I'm drinking.
Rakdos.
We're drinking Coke. Probably don't want to do that. We're probably gonna drink water while
gain
you're
life.
bunch of turdies and stuff like that.
And then pass turn. This is how it's gonna be going.
This is how we're
I'll just put my lands up here so you know, that'll probably be more interactive. I never play anything in Magic, you know. I'm that kind of person. I'm a blue.
He's a mage.
I'm a blue mage. Although I don't agree with that one card, I can't remember the name. It's
Treasure Cruise.
No, shut up. I'm a blue mage. I love draws, but treasure cruise is bad.
Curious follower, get,
It's not bad. It's,
get my mana ramp on. That's the one thing
24.
playing green and blue playing green gets for you instead of playing yeah, white, because we still have in standard there's 3 colors of board wipes: white, black, and blue. Or not blue, white and
blue
black.
has Aether Sprouts.
That's kind of a board wipe. It's basically
It is a board wipe. It just sets them back. Okay. Well, anyways, I'll play Windscarred Crag and gain a life. I'm at 25, and I'll pass the turn.
in a turn manage at you, so you go down to 23.
Oh no.
Scry 2. There's no scries. I'm putting this on bottom. I'm thinking about keeping this on. It's slow, but I'll keep it. That's what this matchup is all about.
He doesn't care how long it is, because since he said it's slow, I'm assuming it'll be some counter spell or mind swipe, maybe.
Some utility.
No, you don't care.
Forest. Go.
Oh, and if you don't know, we've played against each other. Upkeep, I'll gain a life.
Played against
If you haven't assumed so.
we've played against each other multiple times.
Yeah.
I gotta get myself away from looking.
And we'll play Plains and pass.
Steam Auger in a turn.
Sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a really bad one.
So I'm assuming profit and everything else in one. Right?
Who did that one? I honestly still be using one. I'm sure you're gonna choose that one though.
That was your hand.
Oh, okay. That's what I got in my hand. Profit Cupix is a great card in control.
And what goes in graveyard is Caryatid,
Yellowmycos,
2 pain land, and a pain land.
and a life land.
Yeah. Sorry about the proxies. Again, our store, it's kind of a small store. It generally has all the cards, but Cons has been out for a while, but, you know.
I'm getting a box of Cons this weekend. I might do an opening. Depends on whether or not I have to open it at my dad's or not.
Yeah, family's kind of like that.
I'm assuming he has removal for.
Not like a main board,
profit?
27 removal.
So, might as well just shoot it out there.
You good?
I gotta forget to play land. And then shoot it out there.
Huh. That's interesting.
Fast turn.
End your turn. I'll Bioblight it.
Oh, that's a. I was gonna say you can tap a mana for that.
Seemingly, Bioblight has no other reasonable target in this matchup.
Now, see, I could do this, but that would make him not. That'd tap him out for nothing, so.
So it dies, right? Oh, you can try to dissolve it. No.
Go.
Okay, my go. I'll keep gain alive.
Should have thought about Wildlight, guys. I'm sorry. Not like the thing for the home
25.
team. Actually, there was a move I could have done to keep that alive, but I screwed up.
Yep, you could get a +1/+1.
You seen it, didn't you?
No, it's the only thing that makes me pay, except for Mind Swipe. I'll play Mountain and pass turn.
End your turn, I will manage at you.
Go for it.
My 2 scries.
23.
Bottom, because I don't need those. Daisy down, please.
Daisy.
Come here, honey.
Come here, honey. No, Daisy.
Oh my god, sorry guys.
Sorry about this, guys. My dog is very fabulous.
Cut this out. Jesus, down.
You don't push a dog back. She doesn't.
Give her the bottle again. There's a way we can edit out background noises.
I know. Plus, we can just cut out the footage, really.
Untap.
Wait. Put the card back. Tap. Give us like 5 minutes or something. Okay, now.
Untap. Draw.
I didn't see. I don't cheat, Tyler.
Go.
Ooh. Okay. Upkeep. Gain a life. 24. And draw. Good card. Pass turn. So Tyler has around 40 some cards left, so should be another 40 some turns until I win.
I will end a turn. Nothing.
Does Prophet have flash? No. Does he?
No.
Okay, that'd be really amazing.
Stoke you.
I was playing around that. Yeah, sure. I'm back down to 20.
Untap.
Yep.
Upkeep. Draw. Go ahead.
Guys, I feel like this is gonna be probably a 5-part game unless he gets off really quick. Or, not necessarily a 5-part video, but probably broken up in 3. Because, like I said, this is gonna be a very slow game.
Swing 2.
Block.
Lightning strike.
In response before damage.
I did it after damage.
No, it's because it's on the cards thing.
You said you'd block, so I just.
Yeah. Oh,
I assumed like
I'll
after
silence
damage.
it. I'll exile it. So before damage.
No.
Resolves.
After damage.
Before damage resolves.
After damage.
Before damage.
After damage.
Don't be that way.
You don't be that way. You know what? I wouldn't have been that dumb unless I let it after that.
Fine, I'll take it back. I don't really care.
Go.
Sure. Don't gain life.
You say faster.
Now I do. Yeah.
We will 2 mana for Tie-Game Scheming, which is what I drew. Go to the top 5 cards of our library. Put some in our graveyard and some not. Okay, so this is actually really good for us because we can go graveyard. We can go graveyard. Do that, and then whatever's next card. So we can stick our island in the graveyard. Actually, no. We're keeping an island.
And knowing this, I'm assuming there's going to be a delve card either in his hand or in the top 5. There's only 2, so.
This is how it's going.
But I could assume either Dig Through Time or the other one. Can't remember his name.
Dig Through Time or just Treasure Troopers.
Yep.
And. There you go.
No swings?
Oh, swing, my bad.
No.
Dang it.
Okay. Upkeep.
Yep.
Draw. Again, our decks will be on the bottom. I mean, in a link to tappedout.net where you can look at the image, past turn, where you can look at it and see an image of the cards if you're questioning.
And now I'm going to show
After
you guys.
After you draw, I'll Mardu charm you. For duress. Assuming in response, right?
I'm thinking. I wonder if you tap out to get rid of the treasures.
So I was right on the delve thing.
Some merch on? Would you pay 3? Because who knows, I might have some pretty juicy stuff in my hand.
I imagine it's a land. I don't care. Yeah, I'll get 2 cards out of his hand. Or if he's bluffing. Sagamore?
Yeah, you have to take treasure first.
I know. Nope. Sorry about that, guys. So 5 mana next turn. So I will take Treasure Cruise. So the reason why I did that is because I paid 6 mana. I 2-for-1'd him, essentially. Which is good.
Go.
Because if I 1-for-1, I lose.
I shouldn't have made that play.
You should not have. Oh, Urborg. Actually, I more than likely would have taken the. Yeah, I still would have done it that way. Yeah. Wait, no. Take it back. Sure. Knowing that he has Sagumar in his hand, I'm not going to play that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Night. Okay. What time is it? Oh, 14:45. I want to go take care of it.
Oh, yeah, we can text the card out.
Yeah. crying 10 on my part. Or on your part.
Coming. Oh yeah, coming. Daisy, come on, Daisy. Come on, Daisy.
I think you have to pick her up.
Let's go, Daisy. No, Daisy. Come on.
Hey, Luke, can you bring my phone up when you come? Please? Yeah, love.
What was it?
The phone.
Oh, your phone?
Yeah, it's right there on the desk.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks, Tyler.
What?
I don't know, being a great kid. That's what Luke always says. For what?
I'll get her, Mom.
Thanks, honey.
So how'd you do with the martial arts, Mom?
Oh, I know what else. When you go back down.
Okay. 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 I want him to clean up that poop. What? Yeah.
I'm so confused.
What?
I
Yeah,
just-
she pooped. Yeah.
I just shut the lid down right here. Oh, I'll
Uh-huh.
just shut the rest of it.
Right here, Tyler. Okay, well anyways, doesn't really matter. Let's proceed. It's at 18:45 still. You may want to move that.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Three.
my turn? Was it?
No.
Okay, yeah, I just passed turn. Okay. Wait. Okay, go.
And so after that move, we can't really do anything without losing value, so we'll say go.
Trigger.
I know. Oh, did you say go?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
I already drew. Yeah. So I was debating on whether or not to do this. But knowing that he has a Sagumalar in hand, you just play land for turn? Or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah! No! Downstairs!
Draw.
On the, fruit dish!
Go.
Okay, we gotta redo that. I was yelling.
Okay. My draw. Go.
Okay. At the end of his turn, I have uber possibilities because this is a sorcery. These are instants, but I don't care about his board state. So I will draw, and I mean I'll play it. Gain a life. I'm at 21 now, and say fast turn.
Untap, keep draw.
I think I'm the first. I'm the one that wants to make the first move here. I don't know.
Profit? Or that's not profit.
Sagumala? Deal.
Sagum or God dang it.
Deal. We have to deal with that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And at the end of your turn, before you untap out, silence it.
Dissolve. Another one. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good square right now. Oh, jerk.
Okay. Well, yeah, that has to resolve.
Untap.
It resolves.
So I'm assuming he has a
So,
banishing light.
I'll draw. I'll play it. I'll gain a life.
Mm-hmm.
I'm at that 22, and I'll pass turn.
Ooh.
You want
So
it?
end of turn, Sagumar.
Sure.
Untap. Upkeep. Draw.
Go for it.
You don't have anything in play, do you?
No. I have 8 lands untapped.
Swing 8.
Redirect the 6 to you. Since it does not target Sagamalar, it's the next time a source of damage.
Yeah, that's true.
It,
He got me.
it
He got me.
evades Hexproof, and it also evades Stormbreath Dragon or Pro White or Pro Red.
Yeah, he got me. He got me in the deck tech with that one.
It's kind of awesome. Okay, so you take 6, I take 2. Or is that not resolving?
It depends on how much mana I have. Okay, so I could counter that and he take a lot.
4, 5, 6, 7.
8. He take 8.
Yes. I'm at 22.
Put him on a really short clock. I believe the right play is to Mind Swipe and put him on a good clock.
Okay, so
1,
8.
2, 3,
So I'm
4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm essentially down to 7.
Swing 7.
I'm essentially down to 10
13, 14, 15.
because I deflected Mom's Sagumala back to him, and I lost 2 from Profit. So wait, that's 7
I'm Mind Swiping.
for
7.
and I'm at 11 then. My bad.
So you're taking,
And you lose 6.
you're at 22. So you're taking 13, 14, 15.
Not there. I depalmed it.
Mind Swipe.
Oh, for
Yeah.
how much?
7.
Oh, so 7, 15. Okay. So I'm down to 7.
Go.
What do you know?
Untap.
Okay. No, actually, at the end of your turn, I'll utter end it. Profit.
Okay, that's pretty good. Actually, it's exiled, so I can't tell it.
And then I have to end hostilities here.
Yep.
Oh, and what I drew. Okay, well, what I drew was that. Cheater.
Okay.
That's fine.
Prognostic Sphinx.
Cards in hand.
1.
Crackling Doom. Lose 2. Hexproof.
It fizzles. Go ahead.
You sacrifice it.
That doesn't work.
And you lose 2.
Go.
Okay.
That doesn't work, guys. Sorry. You can't discard.
And what I drew was that.
He
I
plays 2 out of
feel
them.
like the right play here is not to pass turn, just to Mardu Charm and take Dissolve. Yeah.
Roger.
And that's a good play on my part. Yeah, and then
Sure, I
pass
should have
turn.
done that on my upkeep.
Huh?
Should have done that on my upkeep.
No, because you could have dissolved it. See my point?
This is my draw. Look away, cheater. Pretty insane draw, actually. I see.
My go?
Yep.
Draw. And then pass turn.
At the end of your turn, take 2 time.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Why do you do that? You don't have any way to recur your graveyard. It doesn't really matter.
Yes, but it's still inefficient. Actually, yeah, we'll just exile cards from the graveyard. So that one.
It doesn't matter. Tyler.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Yeah, it's only 6.
6.
And then 2 blue.
And then 2 blue. Dig 2 time.
See why I'm a blue mage? I really, really want to counter that, but
1, 2, 3.
I play Mardu and I kind of want to
5,
cut my
6,
wrist.
7.
See why it's better than Treasure Cruise? So much better. Scry 7. Take 2.
This is our Scry 7, pretty much. Pretty insane. I think we want.
No, Mardu Charm right here would be really good.
Do you like Mardu Charm on my turn?
Yeah. End your turn, Mardu Charm. Come at me, bro.
I think we obviously take that. And we.
I like how you have, like, one tri-colored and then the rest is basics. Oh, and my hand right now is this, if you're wondering. Here, I'll do that, and that. Which right now, I think I can get around anything, basically.
Honestly, I don't know what we take here between these 2 cards.
How do you want to play it?
Stop looking!
I'm not.
I think we're taking this, actually. Actually, no, we don't have any more Delve cards. So we're not taking that. That's why it's only a 2 of, because we do run out of Delve cards really quickly. What are you at, 7?
7.
Oh! Yeah, we take that and this.
Mind Swipe, I'm assuming? Or burn spells? I'm assuming. What's your graveyard? Do you have Stoke in your graveyard?
At the end of your turn, I will Lightning Strike you.
Yeah, and then Stoked Flames?
No, if only there was a Stoke Flames.
Oh.
Draw.
Magma Jet? What'd you draw?
Keranos. Other end.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Other end. Mago?
Yeah.
What'd I do? Kinda awesome, Joe.
So basically, a lot of burn
So-
spells off the top killed him.
Cranial Archive?
Yep.
Pass turn?
Untap.
Yep.
Draw. Not a burn spell, but it'll thin out our deck. Blitzing Mire.
He's at 17, guys.
Oh yeah, we do have another mountain. I was like, wait a second, do I not have another mountain?
Okay, and then in response, I will activate Cranial Archive to put all my cards back in my graveyard, exile it, and then I draw a card.
Which is really unfortunate for us because he was running out of gas.
And I still have one left.
Which was amazing for us because he used
I-
a lot of gas.
I ate a lot of Mexican food, what can I say?
Yeah.
No, thank you. Why is Keranos in your exile party?
Other end, exiles.
Oh yeah, good point. Is Prophet there? No, it's back there.
No, I'll put Prophet up there.
Oh, fine. Do you wish to cut?
Coming for your nuts, guys.
That is right. I am
I'm coming for your
coming for your nuts. Yep, best sleeves ever. Although they are, I can't remember. And then I'll draw a card off of it, and that's what I drew. I don't like it that much. My go? Or,
Did you say go?
I said it's my go. I did this at the end of your turn.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Untap, and then I'll draw a card. Here you go. Quit looking, man.
Draw. Sphinx. Go.
Crackling doom on your turn. Take 2.
15. Man, I'm on that 15 print clock. Actually, how many cards are in my library?
Here you go.
Come on,
You
stuck
should have
off the
counted
top.
when he shuffled. He does have 1 Stoke the
Go.
Flames left, so.
Actually, one Stoke the Flames here. Did I? Is there another one in here? I don't think I exiled one. Nope. I have 1 Stoke the Flames.
I
left.
drew like a boss.
But
I drew like a boss. I will play next please round.
Mhm.
I'll pass turn.
in turn, smackage at you.
Yep.
This could be game.
Down to 2. Not there.
This might be able to get us there.
Strange feelings to Mind Swipe.
No. Draw. Steamwalker.
Whew. I have a feeling if he gets 2 burn spells, he wins.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Not quite.
But still something. So I'll go there. There. I can pretty much stack this one.
Yeah.
Oh, not that one, my bad. Your choice. I wonder what it's, oh, these are the piles, by the way.
That'll go in your hand.
This is what's going to my hand, because he can't give me this, because he'll die.
Yeah. Then my go?
No, because I'm going to play Lifeline, go to 16.
Shut up.
You're at 3.
And now I am. Draw. Play your planes. Pass turn.
So you can't do anything for the rest of the game.
Theoretically, yes. Yeah, depending how he taps his mana. My next loose frame has entered the red zone.
Okay, so another mana, good for the home team.
Not for good for this one.
This needs 5, 6. So we have 11 mana. 3. 10. So we're 1 short, guys.
Life sucks here, guys.
How many more numbers do you have in your group?
1. That is my graveyard.
Sagamore.
Sure.
Go.
Mana available?
4.
Up to 4. And then I will... I feel like a Crackling Doom.
Damn.
Does kind of suck. But I had to get rid of it, otherwise I was going to lose.
My turn?
Yeah.
Draw.
Lose very, very fast.
Land.
Yep.
17. Go.
Sweet. I drew that. And then pass turn.
Your turn. Lightning strike you.
Down to 1.
Untap. I'll keep draw. 18. Your turn.
Go.
We're up the top one.
Is it a next loose round?
Keywords follower? Yep. I think that.
I will die by keywords.
There you have it, folks. Keywords follower. He's a bomb.
I might be able to do this.
You know, even if you pay the mana, you still
I know.
take the damage.
I'm not talking about that, trust me. I thought it through. By top deck.
I don't think there are any spells in standard right now that are uncounterable.
Doesn't quite do it.
Does anything really do it here? When your deck does it here?
Let's see.
Because you're not.
Utter End. Then I'll Mardu Charm. Then I'll Lightning Strike.
Response.
Choosing Duress.
Mind swipe your absent turn.
Absent? Okay, so Absent Charm. So Mardu Charm resolves, because Absent Charm got Mind Swiped.
No, first and
Okay.
First
Well, he won. He went. Okay, game 2. Well,
We'll sideboard game 3.